How to become a successful artificial intelligence engineer. Master programming languages and tools. Learn programming languages such as Python, R, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and Keras. Understand mathematics and statistics. Understanding of linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. Deep dive into machine learning and AI. Explore deep learning architectures like neural networks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, RNNs. Build projects and gain experience. Work on real-world projects. Specialize and explore subdomains depending on your interests and career goals. Soft skills development. Communication skills are essential. Stay updated and network. Keep yourself updated with the latest trends, research papers. Seek career opportunities. Look for job opportunities in industries such as tech, healthcare, finance. Continuously learn and grow. Commit to lifelong learning by taking online courses from AIexpert.com. To become expert in artificial intelligence, please visit our website www.aiexpert.com or call 7892484198.